Welcome back to another edition of Juicing with Jay. Before I go any further, guys, please go ahead and hit the like, share, and subscribe button. Give you a minute to do that. Now that that's out the way, today, guys, I will be juicing ginger and orange. Ginger and orange. These were the oranges that I picked up from the farmer's market on Saturday, and today now I'm juicing it. All right. All right, guys, there you have it. Fresh orange and ginger juice. Woo! You know the motto on the page, each one teach one. Juicing with Jay, and I will see you on the next video. Peace.